Trellis created 30 bespoke widgets for the Moore Giles theme. These widgets include common elements like hero sliders, title widgets, media cards, text and image widgets, sliders, and other elements which are unique to the Moore Giles theme. These widgets give the Moore Giles marketing team ultimate control over the content that appears on their pages. They can change images, upload videos, change layouts, themes, and other styling, update links, and really all elements of the content without the assistance of a development team. Using the BigCommerce Page Builder, these widgets can be rearranged, removed, and new sections of the page can be easily added. Moore Giles has used these widgets to create pages like the About Us page, the home page, and landing pages for unique marketing campaigns. Additionally, Trellis has created widgets for global elements like the mega menu in the header and the global navigation in the footer. These elements can also be changed without requiring code deployments or the assistance of a development team. Using native BigCommerce functionality, Trellis was able to provide Moore Giles with a high level of flexibility and customization with their theme using widgets without requiring the use of any third-party apps.